All right, so here are the stats. As you can see, a 75% win rate. I took about 8 or 9 trades. I did say I was gonna take 10, but I didn't end up doing that. But nonetheless, 2 L's. The rest were wins. One of the L's I definitely would have went break even in real time, but you know it is what it is. The total PNL comes up to 13.7k, so not bad's in it. But the risk reward was a 6.4R. So, you know, I was actually trading and not just going for one to ones. Yeah, the monthly gain comes up to 13.7k, and then the weekly gains is 16.8. I mean, damn, 6.8, and then the daily gain is 3.4k. I was risking about 0.5%, which was $500 on a 100k account. Pretty much a high win rate and a high risk reward. So you already know what that means. We got the best strategy, you feel me? But if you guys continue watching the video, you guys will see exactly how and why I took the trades. Basically my thought process behind it. So yeah, enjoy. Today I'll be doing a backtesting session on gold futures. I'll be taking about 10 trades roughly. Well, I'll be sticking to the 4-hour, 1-hour, and maybe the 15-minute time frame for bias. And entries would be like the maybe 15, 5-minute, or the 1-minute time frames. All right, so on the 4-hour time frame, I can see that the highs over here were swept. Okay, after that, it started moving to the downside, right? Swept all this liquidity over here. All right, I can potentially see the a bullish move happening or occurring right after this, liquidity being swept. But we'll see what happens. Nevertheless, first target or first area that I can see it coming to is this high on the 4-hour time frame. There is a imbalance above, so I will see what happens when price comes into that imbalance. So if I head to the 15-minute time frame, okay, what do I see? Number one, I can see that Asia low over here was swept. Okay, after clearing Asia low, you can see that bullish price action, right? That bullish move. We do have structural liquidity above here, so possibly it can come into that area right there. Let me just extend this line. Okay, yes, so targets would be honestly right here so far. I'm not sure if it wants to come for all this yet, but we will see what happens. High over here was swept. Buyers are induced now, so I do want to see price action below here. Okay, so this is where buyers get trapped. One price action below here, and then possibly the long move happening after. So yeah, I will be playing some price action because it is currently, well, it says 14:15, which is basically 2:15 EST. It is late in the day, so yeah, let's see what happens during Asia. All right, so Asia opens up, pretty nice. The highs are still intact, so this is really good. We do have the structural liquidity above. We can also see that the market respected these highs over here. Okay, so possibly see longs towards here. What is this line? Okay, turn it black. All right, so let's play some PA and see what Asia does. Okay, we can see that move down. Asia is still respecting the highs over here. This is really good. We got London opening up soon, I believe. We have previous daily high respected. Okay, previous daily high is still intact. We got liquidity above as well. Buyers just got trapped. We still have Asia low though intact, so let's see what happens. Maybe a move down, and then London probably has the long move. Okay, you can see price came into this imbalance over here, swept these highs. Okay, on the 15-minute, these highs were swept. So now I need price action below here, and then possibly the move happening after. We have number one. We got equal highs over here. Okay, so we can possibly, this is, I mean, the longs can possibly happen now. Buyers got trapped. We got equal highs over here. We also got a ton of liquidity to the upside as well. And yeah, so let's head over to the 5-minute time frame and see what it gives us. We got price action coming into these highs over here. Okay, this whole area is a trap. So any short move out of here is just false. Okay, and we could possibly see the move happening from here. Okay, the highs were swept. If it can kind of build liquidity here and then take out the lows, that'll be really nice. Okay, so we got price action built some sort of liquidity over here. Let's see what happens. So we got PA coming into here, takes out the lows, okay, induces sellers, comes into this, it's building liquidity below here, so this is really, really good. And then possibly, let's see if it can respect the high and come lower. Okay, high got respected, and then it comes, clears the low right there. Honestly, this is still on the table. These lows can get swept, so let's see what happens. I'll head to the 1 minute time frame and just see PA right here. Okay, you got. Okay, we got this bullish move out. Honestly, I wouldn't mind taking a long here, especially because we got targets above, right? Our targets are all the way up here, so I don't really mind this. The low over here got swept. Okay, we got a nice bullish move up. Let me play some PA. Okay, maybe right there, and then targeting the highs. I don't really gotta do this. Okay. All right. So we have not been tapped into the trade yet. I'll be targeting the liquidity over here. Okay. We also respected that high, so maybe up there as well. And let's see what price action gives us. Okay, this is a little bit more on the riskier side. Okay, but we do have a ton of liquidity to the upside. Okay, so we got these highs being respected. Okay, that this whole area should be a trap. Honestly, all these highs should be a trap. Let's just see what happens. Let me place an order. Place order. I'll be risking 1%, and then let's see if actually let me stick to 0.5%. Okay, I'll be sticking to 0.5% per trade, all around the entire session. Let's see if I can do a limit. Okay, a limit save. Okay, taps us in. All right, this bullish move out of here is really good. But now that this move happened, I wouldn't like price action coming back to these lows, because if it comes back to these lows, the next area of liquidity it will come for is this over here, right? Because now we've got buyers induced. Okay, so let's see what PA does, honestly. I will have to go break even as soon as these highs get swept over here. Okay, and then, okay, boom. All right, so the highs were swept. This is where I have to go break even. So I'm going to move this up here. Okay. Stop loss break even. All right, so honestly, I will probably be taking partials. Not really sure how to take partials on this. All right. Let's play some more PA. We do have this liquidity, so we have all this right here that I can come for. Let's see. Okay, I guess not. Okay, respects the lows. Honestly, now that this high got taken out, I want to be taking partials, so let's see. It works. Oh, okay. That's how you take partials. I'll take about 75% off here and then hold the rest of the highs. Save. Okay, so I believe 75% was taken off, and the rest I'm gonna hold to these highs over here. Let me head to the 15-minute time frame, because honestly, I'm not gonna just sit on the 5 or the 1 minute time frame the whole time. It's just gonna be very annoying. Okay, there you go. Honestly, damn, just go straight to TP. Pretty nice. We still have these highs intact, so let's just see what happens. First trade played out. Like I said, there is liquidity below here, so now I just have to see what price action actually does. It can come for all this liquidity, so let's see. I don't want to be taking anything that doesn't make sense to me. All right, Asia opened up. We have the highs over here being respected, which is good. If it can at least, or let's see, because we have this that happened. We do have liquidity below here. Okay, so let's see what price action honestly gives us. Maybe a stab below these lows and then higher. Whoa. Okay. Oh, I think this was news probably. Let's see. High got swept over here. Let me delete this. So on the hourly, pretty nice honestly. We got a imbalance. Maybe we can see shorts happening now. And if shorts do happen, it will be nice to see shorts towards at least here, bare minimum. But now that we have previous daily high got swept, we do have previous daily low intact as well. But here's one target that I can possibly come for. And then obviously we also got previous daily low as well. 15-minute looks pretty nice. Okay, we have price action have a move down. Let's see more PA honestly. Okay, I'm liking this. All right, this is pretty good. We got liquidity below. Okay, you can see there's a ton of liquidity below. All those equal lows and stuff. We have this as well. All right, we got liquidity below. I mean, above here, and then an imbalance as well. So let's see. Maybe it comes into this. I wouldn't mind entering there for shorts, right? Because we got liquidity above here. Sellers, early sellers would be selling over here, right? They got their little BOS to the downside over here, pulls back, respects it. So yeah, you can also see this wick kind of close over here, so that is pretty nice. So yeah, let me see. Entry here, stop loss above the highs, and then possibly targeting. Here I'll be taking partials here, okay, because that has a lot of liquidity. Well, actually, I'll be taking partials at this Asia low, and then we will see what price action does after taking on that low, because we still have previous daily low intact, right? So that's where our TP will be. But this right here, this Asia low over here, would be our partial point. So yeah, let's see. All right. Oh, I need to put a limit. Place order. 0.5%. Sell limit. Save. Okay. Let's see what happens. So early sellers got trapped. We do have this little. Obviously, I'm on the 5-minute time frame. If I go to the 1 minute, we do have all this, right? So this is all that liquidity right there. Okay, so possibly a rundown. I do like this. We have liquidity below. Here we also got liquidity over here as well. Sellers got trapped, and then let's see if it can come above here. Okay, taps us in. This whole area, I mean, you can come anywhere within that area, right? That liquidity block over here. Maybe a short down now. Okay, this is looking pretty nice now. I will be moving my stops now, because as soon as it clears all this liquidity, right? As soon as it clears that liquidity, honestly, it's safe to move stops above this high now. Or let me just play a little bit more, see if it clears it. Boom. Okay, well, I'm good. I don't want price above here, right? So if it comes here, at least it'll be a reduced loss. But yeah, we do still have liquidity below here. Okay. So yeah, let's see. Okay. I do want price below here to take some sort of partials. So let me play a little bit more PA. There you go. Partial point right there. Let me take off a little bit, 75%, and then possibly come for the lows. And there you go. Okay. Yeah, so New York's about to open soon. Let's see if we can get something in New York. All right. Let me just move this over right here. A little too much blue. This is confusing me. Let's do this black. This one blue. That color. Okay, perfect. All right. Still looking pretty good so far. As soon as it clears, well, now that it's cleared this, let me just head to the 15. Take a look. All right, so this is pretty nice. We got price action respecting the low over here. Okay. Came for this over here. So all this liquidity was swept. Now let's see if we can see a move up. Possibly clearing Asia high. And if it clears Asia high, that'll be really good. Okay. Damn. Maybe news or something, because that was quite insane. All right. Let me play a little bit more PA. Okay, we got this little move down. So now, sellers, let me go back on the 15. So what I was essentially saying is I do want previous daily low being swept. Okay, we got a ton of liquidity to the downside. Sellers just got trapped. So now maybe we can see a possible move down. Maybe another scale in, right? Another entry towards the lows. All right, so this low got swept right here. So now that happens, sellers are induced. All right. Right. Damn, okay. Well, it is what it is. See what happens next. If it can come down here, respect the lows, right? That'll be good. For shorts. Okay. Let me do this right here. We got all these lows over here. Sellers induced. So this is where sellers liquidity would be. Okay. Let's see. A little bit more PA. Alright, this is looking nice. So basically, after taking out the lows, sellers are induced, right? This whole area should be a trap. This red box is coming out of there, you know, building more liquidity to the downside. That's really good. If it comes and takes out the high, that'll be really good for shorts. We also got a little, let's see. Yeah, so we got a little imbalance over here as well. So let's see, maybe a short move down. Honestly, I don't mind taking it like this right off this right here. And yeah, maybe entry right there. Let me head to the 1 minute time frame and see. Maybe right there. And targeting. Let's go to the 5. Okay, I'll keep my stops above this imbalance. I mean this candle right here. Just playing with this imbalance. Possibly this is a little riskier because we do have an imbalance over here as well and a little bit of equals, but I do see price action coming for the lows first. So yeah. Then once sellers are trapped right here, if it can have a nice move down, that would be really good. Let's see, 0.5%, sell, limit, save. Okay, let's see. I do like this, right? We got this liquidity over here. As soon as sellers are trapped, this would be a nice move down. Okay, little entry right there. Honestly, I would probably move my stops below here now. Okay, let's see. So, there you go. Honestly, right now. Okay, so if it respects these lows over here, I can possibly come into this imbalance and maybe short or even this one over here. So I do like this. I'll probably go break even though. It is pretty far away. And then obviously my targets are over here at the lows. This low over here got swept. This one right here. But I do still see a move down lower. Okay, like I said, can respect the lows, come into here, and then maybe short right after. Let's see what the 1 minute's looking like. Uh, Probably get out here, honestly. Interesting. Yeah, I'll probably just get out here just in case it reverses from here. Because now we do have, liquidity to the upside. So yeah, I'll be getting out here, say 100%. And then close. And then this one, honestly, same thing. I want to be out of this one as well. So let's go right here. Close 100% of it. Save. Okay. So we're out the shorts for now because I do kind of see it going long now. We got sellers. Well, I mean, buyers just got trapped, right? So you got price action respecting these lows over here. You got a huge move up, right? We got that big move up, inducing buyers. Buyers just got trapped right here. Okay, right there. So, let's see. Honestly, possibly this is still in the cards though. This low is still in the cards. So let's see. If we can come for it. All right. Looks nice. Possibly a move up now. I don't know. I have to see more price action. Let's see what time is it. Honestly, it's 12:15. Okay, I might as well wait for the next day and see what price action gives us. Yeah. So now that buyers over here got trapped, this is really good. Cause let me delete this because it's a little bit too noisy right now. Okay. Well, buyers got trapped. We can definitely see previous daily high now being swept. Okay, bare minimum. Um, and then possibly in this area, we can possibly see like a little, well, at least stall here. Um, Maybe it takes out the high. I'm not really sure. But if it comes lower, like let's say it can build some sort of low here. And then from here, if it could come like sweep like some sort of low, and then we can possibly see bullish price action towards this liquidity over here. So let's see what happens, honestly. Uh, Let me head to the 15. Just play more price action. Okay, previous daily high was swept. Okay, if I could come for this, that would be good. We still got some lows over here as well, so let's just see. Because after here, I kind of have to see what price action does. Uh, it can possibly come for this low as well, or maybe even we'll just see what happens. Okay. Okay, let me reanalyze for a second. High got taken out. It is in a liquidity block area. Possible move down maybe. Okay. I will try shorting here. Okay, we got buyers trapped. We just got sellers trapped. It's in a liquidity block area. It did take out an inducement high over here, so maybe a short move down now. Not really sure, but I'll try it out. Let's see. Because sellers are now induced. It did take out this low, so maybe if it couldn't come into here and then start moving down, I'll possibly take some sort of entry. I got taken out. Okay. Interesting. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. comes lower. See what happens. Okay, this logo just got swept, so this is maybe the long move happens now. But let's see. What is the time? Time is 11:04. Maybe now the move happens. Okay. Okay, if we can respect the high, maybe come lower. Let's see though. Okay. We kind of have to enter here. All right. To the highs gives you a nice. Damn. I love it. Okay, we got this high over here. To the left-hand side. Okay, that respected. Gives you a nice 1 to 3 right there. I wouldn't mind that, taking that. So place order. Limit. Let's do market. Execution. Okay, so we're in this right now. See? Okay. Now these highs got swept. Let's see what happens. Maybe. Okay. Oh, I'm not loving this. All good. First L so far. Yeah, looking back at it, definitely got induced right here, but it is what it is. We got this liquidity right here. That was the false move. Swept that liquidity, and then finally coming for the lows. Next target, honestly, possibly maybe here. Okay, I'll head to the higher time frames to take a better look. But yeah, let's just delete all this for now. All right, 15-minute time frame. Yeah, maybe it comes into this area right here. Comes for these lows, hopefully, or possibly. Let's play some PA. We got, wow. Okay, let's see. Now that I take out this high, honestly, anything's on the cards. There's liquidity on both sides, so if it can leave the highs intact, that'd be really nice. We got Asia opening up. Okay, lows got swept. However, it didn't really take anything else out, just that right there. So that just induces sellers. So let's see. Play some PA. I think it swept this low right here. Let's see. Yep, just swept the low. Okay, so now it's building liquidity here, below here, also above. Let's see what it can do. We got liquidity above as well. Okay, just looking. All right, not bad. Okay, and the low got swept. Let's see if it can come a bit lower, maybe. And then, yeah. All right, in terms of targets, we got liquidity over here. All right. Honestly, I should probably. I don't really love this. There is liquidity here and didn't really take anything over here as well. So, it's a tough one. Probably take some partials here if it does. What do you call it? Still makes sense until RR. It'll be a 1 to 3. So let me actually enter this. Place order. Market execution by. Okay. Save. Let's see if we can give it. Or wait. That would be my target actually. Right there. But I will be taking partials above here. Or maybe even above here, honestly. Not really sure, but let's see. Okay, do like this little reaction out of there. Okay, still not off the cards yet. I want to say longs are completely off the cards. All right. Okay, now I kind of have to go break even. Don't really got a choice. Go break even. And then take it towards here. I'll be taking partials here though. Alright, I think it took out the high. Yeah, I just did. Let me take it a little bit out right here. Boom. Let's take out maybe 50%. Save. Let's leave it right there. Boom. Wow. Okay. Honestly, respect to the low, so I don't really love this. I will probably... Let's see if we can take out this high, maybe. Yeah, it's gonna come for that low. There you go. Break even. Rest got taken out break even. So yeah, break even trade. Took a little bit of partials, so did secure something. But yeah, these are a little tough because I mean we still got a lot of liquidity. We had a ton of liquidity to the downside. Okay. We got all this liquidity over here. So I do want price action below here possibly. And then after it takes it out, if it can give some bullish moves out of there, yeah, I'll probably be taking longs towards the highs. But yeah, essentially I want to see buyers trapped, right? We do have, I mean, sellers are in here, so let's see. Okay, so now swap this, I think. Yeah, swap these lows or this low right here. These lows are probably in the cards. So let's see. Okay, so now that this high got taken out, probably takes out this low. We still got liquidity below as well, right? So let's see. New York's about to open up. We got. Let's see. Don't think it should come below here. This low just got swept. All right, so now sellers are induced, right? We are coming out of. Go on the 15 real quick. We are coming out of this area right here. Okay, so these highs honestly should be taken out. Well, this is structural liquidity as well, right? We do have this from before, so maybe until there, and then possibly, yeah, we'll see what happens after these highs get taken out. This one over here. Okay, let's head to the 1 minute time frame and see what happens. Honestly, I think I want price below here. And then I'll be targeting the highs over there. Okay, let's play some price action. Let me actually set the limit order in. Okay. Okay, buyers just got induced. As soon as buyers get trapped, this would be good for longs. Let me just delete this. Right there. Entry right below, so maybe here. Okay, and then targeting the highs 1 to 4. Pretty decent, honestly. Let's do this and place order. Okay. So we got price coming into these highs over here. Okay, buyers are now induced. Sellers are also trying to sell over here as well, right? So we got a ton of liquidity, right, from previous days as well. So this is looking really nice. As soon as buyers get trapped, that would be my entry towards the highs. All right. Okay, so now honestly, I would have to move a stop loss below this low. And then if it takes out the highs, I'm probably gonna go break even or something. Honestly, wait 1 second. I do want price higher though. We do have a lot of liquidity to the upside. There's more potential, so I will probably be targeting uh above here. Let's do this. Targets up there. Okay. Looking pretty nice, honestly. Target here. Might take out. Well, I'll go break even as soon as the high gets taken out. Um, and then if it come for here, I'll be taking off maybe 50%. And yeah, it's looking pretty good though. Okay, these highs got taken out, so I have to go break even now. Okay, and then let's see. All right, take off a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna take off a little bit right there. Maybe 50%. Yep, and then my next target is probably these highs, and then obviously we got these highs as well. So yeah, let's see. Let me actually jump up to the 15-minute time frame and see. Yeah, this is looking nice. Yeah, so basically we got sellers induced. We got a ton of liquidity to the upside. Um so yeah, let's see. Okay. And Asia's opening up. So that's pretty nice. Let's see what we get. Alright, high just got taken out over here. I do want price above here though, so let's see if we can get above there. And then possibly an entry. Okay. And interesting. Let's see. Maybe one more stab below the low and then because then if it takes our previous daily low, it can probably come for a previous daily high. So let's see. Okay. Well, I guess not. That's what it's looking like. We do have oh it just took out the high. Okay. We'll have to take some a little bit off right here. Alright, let's see. Alright. On the 4 hour, this is what it looks like. There's an imbalance above. Let's see if price can go into there. Low should probably be taken, right? Because buyers induced now. I want to see some sort of buyers get trapped. And then let's see after if it can take out the low. Let's see what it does next. Okay. We got this structural liquidity right here. And it just moves away. Okay. Well, there you go. I still do see price action going higher. Let's see if it can at least give us something though. Maybe a move. If it come into here, respect these highs. Let's see. All right. Not bad. Okay. Now that I came into this area, it's looking pretty decent. Buyers are induced. I want to see price below here, possibly, and then maybe a move up higher. Okay, low taken. Let me head to the 1 minute. Okay, and maybe a move down below here. All right. I guess that's that. Still on the cards for me. Let's see. Do want price higher, like I mentioned. There's an imbalance above. This still gives me a nice 1, 2, 3. So let's see. I'll be targeting here. Um, see if we get something. Let me place an order. Place order. Buy. Okay. See what happens. There you go. Taps you in. Oof. All right. All good. Still got liquidity above. So let's see. Maybe the move happens now. Okay. Honestly, this is probably gonna be a sharp move up. So um, let's see what it gives us. All right. I want price below here. If it comes below there, probably enter something right there. Stops below the low. And then target the highs. There you go. And let's put a place order. Okay. It's looking good. Okay. Still on the cards though. Just still on the cards. There's a lot of liquidity here, so it should possibly at least come for here, and then we'll manage it accordingly. Um, we do have this liquidity as well, right? Like I mentioned, there's a ton of liquidity above here. So yeah, let's see. Okay, now that takes out the high. Let's see what it does. Yeah, okay, now there's a ton of liquidity to the downside as well, right? So, um, is it good to go break even now? Safe to go break even. Next target should be the highs. So if it does come lower, it'll probably come lower. Take out something to the downside first, right? Because it needs to trap. Well, essentially now buyers are in, right? So if it comes lower, it'll probably trap the buyers. And yeah, took out the highs. I will have to take some partials. Okay, let's say just do 25% here because I am confident in it going higher. Let's see. Okay, there you go. All right. Honestly, that was nice. Fortunately, we took an L over here, but we were able to catch long back up again. I know it wasn't really 10 trades. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But yeah, 7 trades. I think I'll look over the stats in a second. We are up 13 grand. Risking 0.5% on a 100K account. So risking $500, you're up 13 grand. It's only been, let's see, honestly, I think it's only been a week of PA. So see, yeah, it's been a little over a week of PA. So honestly, not bad.